dam is getting ready to quench the thirst of the people in Godavari region, but it also raises many concerns.
This is Patha Polavaram, that is the old Polavaram. Just 3 kilometers from this place is the Polavaram project. But the people in this village fear that if the Polavaram project is completed, this village could be acquired by the government, because once the Polavaram project is ready, the power plant could be set up in this vicinity.
This is Krishna Prasad, 55-year-old laborer in Polavaram. He earns about 500 to 800 rupees per month and sometimes less, or with no income at all. He stays in the small hut, and just 3 kilometers from his house is the Polavaram project. The land where his hut is will be acquired by the government soon, and he will be asked to move out. He claims the market cost of his land is 15 lakh rupees, but the government is paying only 1.5 lakh rupees.
It will be difficult for us to leave from here. They are all tribals. Where will they go? They would find it tough to move out.
Ramayapete is a small village situated just a few yards away from the Polavaram project, and this will be the first village that will be immediately affected once the Polavaram project starts functioning.
At Ramayapeta, this is 85 years old Radhakrishna Rao. Rao is the third generation in his village. He's an agriculturist and now worries about the land that will be acquired by the government. He's worried that he cannot gift the lands that he developed to his grandchildren, as the government is providing shelter and rehabilitation about 30 kilometers from the present location. The political parties are promising the villagers that they will not allow Polavaram project to function. But the reality is that the project work is underway. This again seems to be an election promise to those who feel threatened by the project. The work has begun. Many right canals are constructed across the region. The candidates in the West Godavari and Khammam district are sweating it out in the sun, but the villagers know that they are alone in their fight against the displacement.
The deadline to complete the Polavaram project across the Godavari river is 2018. But with the ongoing controversy and the protests against this dam, this project is likely to be further delayed. Although this project has been the main issue during the Lok Sabha and the Assembly elections in Andhra Pradesh, the river Godavari will still remain a major link between the two new states of Andhra Pradesh, that is Simandhra and Telangana. And this river Godavari will naturally bind the two states eternally. With cameraman B.N. Reddy, Asha Khanam, DD News, Polavaram.